Hello and welcome to Boyum IT Solutions. And today we're going to talk about Beas Manufacturing and explore how we've helped Hightech and Electronic customers around the world to digitally transform their business. Before we start the presentation, we would like to provide you with a brief overview about our solution for Hightech and Electronic industry. After assisting hundreds of customers, we know that different customers have different challenges. However, high-tech and electronic companies generally have unique challenges in different areas which may not be true to other industries. For example, difficulty to manage product life cycles and multiple versions, productivity loss due to poor resource optimization, shop floor visibility is limited, inventory levels are not optimized. If you recognize these symptoms within your own enterprise, then you should consider Beas Manufacturing within your evaluation process. Beas Manufacturing is a market-leading industry solution for SAP Business One within the high-tech and electronics sector. The product is built on more than 16 years of best practices gained from customers and consultants' knowledge. As a vertically focused software solution vendor, currently we have over 100 customers in this industry sector alone and utilize a well-proven project delivery model based on the SAP Accelerated Implementation methodology. To understand what is affecting the high-tech and electronics industry, it's important to look ahead and understand the market forces which influence the industry these days and will shape its operations in the future. I would like to highlight just a few of them. Internet of Things technology is the interconnectivity of physical objects and devices that are integrated with sensors and software that allows them to exchange and collect data. Therefore, household appliance manufacturers are integrating their products with the IoT technology to make customers' lives comfortable and convenient. Virtual reality technology is being adopted by electronic manufacturing companies to improve manufacturing efficiency. Virtual reality technology enables companies to inspect design objects at all conceivable scales, thereby eliminating defects in the product in the design stage. Many electronic equipment companies are using robotics and automation to improve plant efficiency and productivity. Sensors are being used in various machines to access invaluable data for improving efficiencies and reducing potential breakdowns. If manufacturers want to stay competitive in the market today, they must take those future trends into account, and especially when selecting their manufacturing solution. Industry analysts are forecasting cost reduction changes driven by the adoption of these new technologies and digital transformation. For example, the business research company is forecasting the global economics manufacturing market is expected to reach $3 trillion by 2020, with Asia Pacific as the largest market by geographic region and China biggest market by country. According to the Boston Consulting Group, in 2016, 1.2 million industrial robots are expected to be deployed by 2025. That's indicating a rise in automation and robotics technology adoption to improve productivity and reduce production costs. This was just a brief look into what's coming. Now let's explore the current challenges for the high-tech and electronics manufacturing industry. Based on our industry knowledge, in the next two slides we're going to explore 6 issues that are commonly found in the high-tech and electronics industry. Let's start with the lack of integration or limited integration to CAD and PLM systems. Companies who utilize both an external PLM or CAD system and an ERP software may find themselves entering their item numbers and bills of materials twice, once into each system. Double entering of data is not only inefficient but can also create numerous mistakes and lead to data inaccuracy. It is time-consuming to calculate the cost of manufactured item without an integration in place. Not being able to quickly analyze the information from the different sources is affecting your ability to determine the selling price and therefore affecting the bottom line. Using Beas Manufacturing Data Integration Hub, we can automate the complex and time-consuming process of entering BOM data and calculate its accurate cost. When having that integration in place, the process that would usually take a week from your highest-paid engineer staff only takes a few minutes, allowing them to keep being productive and adding real value to the business. Let's take a look at resource optimization. With increasing bill of material complexity and multi-constrained production resources such as machines, tools, and labor skills, your ability to provide accurate customer delivery dates is getting to be a complex task. In some cases, production staff are actually recording data on paper, which creates a lack of production visibility, especially when trying to manually plan resources types simultaneously. These resources need to be optimized to maximum production output, reduce changeover in setups while meeting customers' demand. Being able to analyze manufacturing processes enables manufacturers to respond proactively to problems and reduce downtime in the plant. With Beas Manufacturing capacity planning, initial delivery dates can be calculated via a fitted backward scheduling. When this is combined with Beas Manufacturing APS model, both material availability and capacity can be scheduled together to calculate the capable to promise delivery date while allowing you to effectively plan large numbers of short-run production orders. No industry knows more about the speed of innovation quite like electronics manufacturing. When an engineering change order is handed down from on high, business must adapt to improve their offerings, ensure ongoing operational excellence, or debug issues they've discovered. Increasing product complexity and faster cycle times means that you constantly have to deal with changes in your bill of material. It's a management challenge made more difficult by the intense pressure to control costs. Changes aren't communicated through the supply chain rapidly enough, and that's leading to wrong revision of component or excessive scrapping and reworking of products. Cost estimates are unpredictable, which is making it difficult to keep pricing competitive. With Beas Manufacturing revision management, you can effectively manage several active bill of materials at the same time. We change impact analysis across the enterprise from forecasting to MRP, purchasing to production, and inventory to sales order. Therefore, managing the full life cycle and ensuring the correct products are available to meet customer demand. It doesn't take a veteran of the electronics manufacturing industry to understand the trouble with managing large volume of small components as they undergo fast assemblies. An ERP system that promotes intelligent procurement practices based on real-time demand and turnover rates will drive long-term cost saving and mitigate risk associated with parts overages and shortages. With Beas Manufacturing supply and demand management, inventory is balanced to ensure the right components and quantities are in the warehouse, while reducing obsolescences related to product changes, which positively impacting the financial bottom line. Leveraging the global supply chain is putting more focus on supplier quality management. Having a strong quality and traceability system directly affects warranty reserve and post-production service hours. Today, many enterprises are still operating manual paper-based quality control system with no integration with an ERP. Running an offline quality systems mean that whenever you have to perform a customer audit or share data to maintain preferred supplier status, both time and resources are consumed to perform the analysis and provide proof of traceability, which increases the total cost of quality. Beas Manufacturing quality control allows enterprises to define what, when, and how products are tested, providing a full audit and electronic documentation trail of the quality control procedures and processes, and that's increasing overall product quality and levels of traceability. And that means that you can provide quality information and data in just a simple click. And the last point, businesses are created for making money, and not having visibility of your performance at your fingertips does not allow for timely decision making. Not knowing where to improve the business is limiting your ability to grow. In many businesses, data is held offline and updated manually in spreadsheets and prone to data errors, which can affect the accuracy of reported results. The manual collection and processing of the data can also take a long time, therefore not allowing for timely and informed decisions, as the data is already historically in the past. With a single click, Beas Manufacturing dashboards and KPIs are available online and in real time, providing you with insights to support your decision making on how your business is performing and where to improve your business. We understand you have choice, and therefore we want to spend just a few minutes so you get to know us and what we do and see if we are the right choice for you as a customer. Beas Manufacturing is the leading industry solution within the SAP Business One ecosystem, which is built on industry best practices based on our market intelligence and consultancy industry knowledge. It's designed to simplify the complexity of manufacturing and offer flexibility to meet your needs today and in the future. For example, moving from make-to-order mixed mode production, which include make-to-stock products. As a solution, Beas Manufacturing has been in the market for over 16 years, supporting 13 different manufacturing industries, with Hightech and Electronics being a core industry, with currently over 100 customers. Within the SAP Business One community, the solution has won more awards than any other software solution provider. In SAP Business One space, we have the largest customer base of more than 900 customers. Beas Manufacturing solution received more than 16 SAP Business One awards on quality and functionality. Another important point is that Beas Manufacturing was designed specifically for SAP Business One. We work seamlessly with the solution. This is an important point, especially if you're considering a solution that requires an external integration to SAP Business One. That can add complexity to the implementation, which can have a very high price tag, and it is also more prone to errors. Beas Manufacturing is a certified solution and follow SAP's technical standards. So when SAP changes something, we change as well. This is the leverage of having a non-functional foundation layer as SAP Business One that can save you money on total cost of ownership. More on that topic soon. Never heard about Boyum IT? Here's a fast brief. We are the leading global solution partner, and we are a member of the SAP Partner Solution Council, which is a group of 14 partners chosen by SAP to represent the SAP Business One partner community. We're the best known and the largest solution provider out there for SAP Business One and work with 19 out of the top 20 global SAP Business One partners. Our success is illustrated by the number of awards received from SAP, plus 5 consecutive Gazelle Awards, the most prestigious business award in Denmark for achieving business growth. All awards are very important, but we're very proud to have won the SAP Global Solution Partner and the People Choice Award for 2016 and 2017, an award voted by the SAP Partner Network regarding quality of the software, service, and support. We know customers like to deal with a local company, someone that speaks their language rather than to try an overseas relationship. With Boyum IT, wherever you are in the world, we have a partner to support you in that country. We work with over 500 partners, which is the largest ecosystem of partners in SAP Business One, and our products are running in over 90 countries. We support over 120,000 daily users, and just to make sure you get the support in your time zone, we have established support offices in more than 9 countries around the world. Beas Manufacturing, as we have mentioned before, is integrated to SAP Business One, which is one of the top and widely accepted ERP system for small and medium enterprises. Why is this so crucial? It is always important for the decision makers to have a complete picture of their business that allows them to make more informed and effective decisions. This is only possible when all the data sources, such as ERP and application, communicate with each other in a more streamlined way. Every name, every account, every phone number, every digit pertaining to operations, sales, finance are the lifeline of a business. Any function that is detached from the core of the business systems is a big headache for the decision makers. If all the functions of the business are running in parallel to each other without any communication between them, the output will always be a fragmented one. However, when properly integrated, a lot of workflow automation can take place, and that has a direct impact on the productivity of the business. This is reducing manual data entry processes and data duplication while eliminating the number of costly errors and streamlining the processes. So if you're considering taking a manufacturing solution that doesn't have an integrated ERP solution as the backbone, think twice. At a high level, this slide describes the main business processes and building blocks of the combined solution SAP Business One and Beas Manufacturing. At the core, we have SAP Business One, which manages the flow of the materials and money in and out of the business via sales, service, purchasing, and the relevant financial functions to support the physical management of a company. When adding Beas Manufacturing, we include industry-related features which are not available as standard with SAP Business One. And those are highlighted in the orange boxes, and this is what we call Beas Basic, which is a selection of modules bundled together into a single license. While the green boxes covers optional models used to solve more complex industry requirements, such as production data collection for capturing production-related data in real time and advanced planning and scheduling for resource optimization. One of the advantages of Beas Manufacturing is its flexibility, and when our customers grow or change their business model, we have the application flexibility and can provide the customer with a choice without the need to go to another ERP vendor for a specific point solution, which is not designed or works seamlessly with SAP Business One, for example, preventative plant maintenance. Within any software project, there are three elements: people, support, and software. And to ensure all the elements work together towards a successful go live, we have adopted the SAP implementation methodology. The partner is responsible for the project management and creating deliverables such as the business blueprint, and guide the customer through the 5 implementation phases and also provide the first level support. The customer needs to form an in-house implementation team or person to be responsible and supervise the implementation is moving in the right directions and that your needs are covered. You need to validate each step of the process until you've reached the go-live stage. That's very important. Where do we fit in? Simple. We're responsible for the quality of Beas Manufacturing, and we provide a support infrastructure for our partners. But not only this, we support them in every step of the way. That means that we provide our partners and you as the customer training tools, e-learning courses, hands-on workshops, and articles to make it easier for anyone to learn, implement, and use the solution. We're continuously working on our education services to make sure that you will get everything that you need. Not enough? Requires special assistance? When the partner doesn't have an answer, they can contact us and we will help them and guide them through the different steps. Our partner can contact our Beas Manufacturing delivery team in every step of the project and after the project has been finalized. To summarize, when implementing Beas Manufacturing, you get a standardized system that has built-in usability and customization tools with a flexible licensing structure, so you only buy what you need. And we are here for the long term, so we can support you in the next 10, 15, 20 years. In the next 2 slides, we'll explore a customer example, which validates the topics we've discussed so far regarding the business and industry challenges, software solutions, and business benefits. Take, for example, Verkad, a German electronic service provider. Their operations are split into 3 different lines of business. So before implementing SAP Business One and Beas Manufacturing, each line of the business had its own software, which provided no operational flexibility, with the side effect of difficulties in centralizing production planning and inventory management. With the implementation, Verkad has integrated all lines of business into the same software, resulting in the standardizing of the master data and providing a clear picture across the business. That means simplifying the business, improving efficiency and productivity, and increasing the levels of customer service. Here is what they had to say. Beas Manufacturing has been implemented with over 100 customers within the Hightech and Electronics industry. And from our experience, we come across a number of situations which are very common across our customer base. For example, a scalable and future-proof solution which can support their business processes of today and for those of the future. Improved reporting to support timely decision-making, and for production planning to take full advantage of resources to increase productivity, quality, and customer service. With a centralized solution covering all business processes, a combination of SAP Business One and Beas Manufacturing has been able to integrate the business, provide real-time data to support decision-making, increase productivity through resource optimization, and increase the levels of customer service, and also has a flexibility when the business has changed. Here is another statement from one of our customers, and that's actually an interesting case because here they were reporting on 45 different KPIs, financial KPIs, on a monthly basis. That took a full-time job from one person. With Beas Manufacturing, this is now down to 5 days, and that's a 75% improvement. In summary, Market forces and trends are making enterprises to rise to the challenge, and change is inevitable. To remain competitive, enterprises need to continually review how they do business, as the way of doing business today will be very different from tomorrow. Over 900 manufacturing companies have chosen Beas Manufacturing to support their digital transformation. And why not seriously think about joining our ecosystem and let us help you take the first steps along your transformation journey. Our team of experts and extended partner network can help you through the challenges you face today and help you transform your business. The only question remains is, if not now, then when? Thank you very much, and I wish you all the success.